One summer afternoon, a boy named Daniel went to his grandfather's attic. The attic was full of dust, old boxes, and broken chairs. In the corner, he found a strange wooden clock. Its glass was cracked, and the hands were stuck at 12. Daniel turned the key and wound the clock. Suddenly it began to tick. Tick-tock, tick-tock. The sound grew louder. The room started to spin. When it stopped, Daniel was still in the house, but something was different. He walked downstairs and saw a young man reading a newspaper. Daniel looked closely. It was his father, but much younger. Later, he saw his mother too. She was wearing a school uniform and laughing with friends. Daniel could not believe his eyes. Then, outside in the garden, he saw a little boy playing with a toy car. Daniel froze. The boy was him, 5 years old, smiling and happy. For a long time, Daniel watched his family in the past. He wanted to talk to them, but he stayed silent. He just watched and remembered. Suddenly, the clock in his hand slowed down. Tick, tock, tick. And then it stopped. Everything around him froze. Then he heard a soft voice from the clock. Choose, stay in the past or return to the present. Daniel looked at his young parents. He looked at his younger self. He wanted to stay, but he knew the past was finished. Life was waiting for him in the present. He whispered, "Take me back." In a moment, Daniel was in the attic again. The clock was quiet. He put it back under the sheet and smiled. The past was beautiful, but the present was his home.